In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom cursor effect in Wix Studio, no code needed. Whether you're designing a sleek, professional website or something fun and creative, adding a custom cursor is a small but effective way to make your site stand out. The best part, you don't need to know any coding. This step-by-step process is quick, straightforward, and can give your website that extra touch of personality. So grab your computer and let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the Wix Studio homepage. This is your starting point for everything Wix related. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do that next. Look for the login section. It's usually in the top right corner of the screen. Once you've located it, click on it. From here, select the Continue with Google option. This is a super convenient way to sign in if your Google account is already connected to other tools you use. Just a couple of clicks and you're in. Now that you're signed in, let's locate the editor panel where all the magic happens. To do this, look for a small arrow on the right side of your screen. Click on it, and the editor panel will expand, giving you access to a variety of tools and options for customizing your website. From here, we're going to focus on the cursor customization feature. Once the editor panel is open, look for the cursor option. You might need to scroll a little, but it's there. Click on it, and you'll see the settings and customization options, specifically for your website's cursor. This is where we really start to get creative. Now, to customize your cursor, you'll want to select the option that says Add Image or SVG. This step allows you to replace the default cursor with something that better matches your website's theme or aesthetic. If you're aiming for a modern and sleek look, I recommend choosing the Use Vector Art option here. Vector images are great because they maintain their quality no matter the size, and they tend to look clean and professional. Next, let's upload your custom image or SVG file. To do this, click on Upload Media. This will open a window that lets you select a file saved on your computer. Choose the image or SVG file you want to use as your custom cursor. If you don't already have a custom design, no worries. Wix offers some predefined design options you can use instead. For example, you might see options like a palm design, which you can select for a ready-made stylish cursor. Once you've chosen your file or design, click Add to Site. This action integrates your custom cursor into your website. At this point, your cursor is no longer the default arrow, it's now your unique design, adding a little extra flair to your site. Finally, there's one more step to make sure your custom cursor looks as good as possible. In the cursor settings, ensure the highlight feature is selected. This option adds a subtle spotlight effect to your cursor, which enhances its visual impact. It's a simple yet effective way to make sure your custom cursor catches the eye of your visitors. And that's it. You've successfully created and added a custom cursor to your Wix Studio website, all without writing a single line of code. It's a small detail, but it can make a big difference in how polished and unique your site feels. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.